This video is Sound and Light Lesson 1. It's an introduction to sound. So the learning objectives: to understand how sound travels, to know that loudness is measured in decibels, and be able to order different sounds depending on their loudness. To be successful in this lesson, you must be able to use key sound words to describe how sound travels, to identify loud and quiet or soft sounds, and to know how loudness is measured. I'm going to start by looking up all the words involved in sound and light topic. Vibration is a back and forth motion that repeats itself. A longitudinal wave, where the direction of vibration is the same as that of the wave. Volume is how loud or quiet a sound is, measured in decibels. The pitch, how low or high a sound is. Amplitude, the maximum amount of vibration. Wavelength, the length of a wave in meters. And frequency, the number of waves produced in 1 second in hertz. Make sure you pause this and have enough time to write these things down. Second set of keywords: a vacuum is a space with no particles of matter in it. Oscilloscope, which you'll see, is a device able to view patterns of sound waves. Absorption is when energy is transferred from sound to a material. And the auditory range is the lowest and highest frequencies that a type of animal can hear. And an echo is a reflection of sound waves. Again, pause the video to write these down. Okay, activity 1 is to find out all about sound travels. Pause the video and see if you can fill the gaps for yourself, then unpause and find out the answers. When you bang a drum, the vibrating drum makes the air near it vibrate. The vibrations in the air travel to the ears and you hear the sound. Sound cannot travel in space because there is no air for the vibrations to travel through. Space is a vacuum. That is why astronauts need to use radios to talk to each other. Air is a gas. Sound can travel through gases. Sound can also travel through solids and liquids. In air, sound travels at 340 meters per second, but speeds up in water to 1,500 meters per second. Dolphins communicate with each other under the sea. The sound can travel for hundreds of miles, much further than in air. Sound travels even more quickly through a solid material than through air or water. Standing near a railway line, a humming from the rails can be heard several minutes before the train itself can be heard. Pause the video and write down these words. Okay, your next activity is to work out, match the loudness of different things. And here are the answers. Although you could argue maybe the first 3 or 4 could be interchanged, as in with the last 2. Okay, and your homework is to fill in activity 2 on noise. Here are the answers. There are some sounds that we do not want to hear. A sound may be too loud, like the sound made by very loud machinery, or may be annoying, like music that you do not like. Sounds like this are called noise. Very loud sounds can damage your ears. You can protect your ears by wearing special ear protectors or defenders made out of soft materials. The soft materials absorb the sounds and make them quieter. You can make sounds quiet in a house by using soft materials such as carpets and curtains. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching and listening.